Dear students, in this question, we are given that there are two circles which are intersecting each other. One circle has been drawn properly, other is not drawn. So, जब भी दो circles इस तरह से meet करते हैं, that means they are intersecting each other. उसके बाद given है that P is the point of intersection of the two circles. ये भी point of intersection है. We are talking only about this point which is given in the figure. Then we are given that C is the center of one circle, C is the center of one circle, D is the center of the other circle, APB is a straight line, APB is a straight line and it is parallel to the line CD. We have to prove that this AB, it is 2 times CD. AB is 2 times CD. So how we can prove it? नाउ दिस कंस्ट्रक्शन जो है जो फिगर में ऑलरेडी दी है, जनरली ये फिगर में ऑलरेडी नहीं दी होती, वी विल हैव टू शो इट आवरसेल्फ. सो कंस्ट्रक्शन इसमें क्या की हुई है, दैट इज ड्रॉ सी एल परपेंडिकुलर टू ए पी एंड एम डी परपेंडिकुलर टू पी बी. तो हमने एक सी एल ड्रॉ किया परपेंडिकुलर टू ए पी एंड वी हैव ड्रॉन एम डी विच इज परपेंडिकुलर टू पी बी. दिस वी हैव ड्रॉन. तो ये एक quadrilateral है in which that is CL is perpendicular. These two angles are 90 degree, isn't it? Now let us see what we can show here further. Now what is C? C क्या है? Center. Now this CL, it is perpendicular to AP. So what we can write? We can say that AL is equal to LP, isn't it? And similarly ये जो MD है that is perpendicular to PB. So what we can write here, PM is equal to MB. अब ये मैंने results कैसे लिखे हैं, because we know that perpendicular from the center it bisect the chord. Perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. So therefore अगर हम perpendicular draw करते हैं it will bisect. These two are equal. Is it clear? Now we have to show that AB is 2 times CD. So how we are going to show it? Let us start from here. What is AB actually? AB is equal to AL plus LP plus PM and plus MB. That is AB. So here we will make one change. हम ये जो MB है इसको AL के साथ combine कर दिया. And we are writing LP plus PM together. Now what is the reason behind it? Our main purpose is to show this, so we have to do it accordingly. So AL plus MB, इसको यही method नहीं है करने का, इसको और भी methods हैं, you can apply any method, isn't it? So here that is what is LP plus PM? LP plus PM is actually LM. LP plus PM is actually LM. उसके बाद हम फिर से इनकी सब्स्टिट्यूशन करते हैं. हमें पता है AL किसके इक्वल है, क्योंकि हमें CD के इक्वल शो करना है. सो देयरफॉर वी डोंट नीड AL, वी डोंट नीड MB. इसको फिर से सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं. व्हाट इज AL? इट इज इक्वल टू LP. व्हाट इज MB? इट इज इक्वल टू MP and plus LM. This we are writing as it is LM. Now what is LP plus PM? It is LM. ठीक है, so this becomes 2 times LM. Now this LM, it is equal to CD. Now this LP, it is equal to CD. Now why it is equal to CD? Let me write here properly the CD. अब LM CD की equal क्यों है? Because we can prove it here. This LM, it is parallel to CD. If APB is parallel to CD, that means LM is also parallel to CD. अगर ये एंगल 90 डिग्री है तो ये एंगल भी क्या होगा? 90 डिग्री. Isn't it? Parallel sides में co-interior angles are supplementary. अगर ये एंगल 90 डिग्री है तो ये भी 90 डिग्री होगा. So एक quadrilateral from here what do we conclude? एक quadrilateral जिसमें चारों एंगल 90 डिग्री हैं, या तो वो rectangle हो सकता है या वो square हो सकता है. But from the figure it is clear that this LCDM, it is actually a rectangle. So there is no need to give the proof why it is a rectangle. We can only show in the diagram also that this angle is 90, this angle is 90 और लिख सकते हैं कि ये एक rectangle है. So that's why this LM it is equal to CD. तो therefore हमने यहाँ पर LM की जगह CD लिखा है, hence it is proved. Here students, in this question it is given if the diameter of a circle bisects each of the two chords of a circle, then prove that the chords are parallel. So what question actually it is, like this is a circle. This is a circle and let us take two chords. We take two chords, chord AB and the chord CD. And there is a diameter. Let us give it name as PQ. We know that diameter always pass through the center. So O is the center. Now whatever we have supposed, we have to write in the answer that let chord AB. So chord that is AB and the chord CD. Two chords we have taken. PQ is the diameter. And what is O? O is the center. We have taken O as the center. Now it is given that this diameter bisect each of the chords, that is AP is equal to PB. We have not taken any pointer. Let us take this point as M and this point as N. So M is the point where diameter meets AB and N is the point where the diameter meets CD. So we are given that ये जो diameter है इसने chord AB को bisect किया है. That is AM is equal to MB. Diameter ने CD को भी bisect किया है. CN is equal to ND, isn't it? Then what you have to prove here? You have to prove that the chords are parallel. We have to prove that this AB is parallel to CD. तो अगर हम M और N के बारे में भी लिखना चाहते हैं, we can write here that PQ is the diameter which cut AB at M and CD at N to make it more clear. अब अगर दो लाइंस को हमने पैरेलल प्रूव करना है तो कैसे प्रूव करते हैं? If we want to prove two lines are parallel, either we prove that alternate angles are equal, or we prove that corresponding angles are equal, or we prove that sum of co-interior angles is 180 degrees. So any method we can apply. Now see here, since this AM is equal to MB, isn't it? What does that imply? It implies that OM is perpendicular to AB. So what is the reason? ये जो OM एक लाइन है और इसने AB को बाइसेक्ट कर दिया है. कैसे बाइसेक्ट किया? क्योंकि हमें गिवन है AM is equal to MB. So if a line from the center is bisecting the chord, that means that line is perpendicular to the chord. So OM is perpendicular to AB. Similarly, we have CN is equal to ND. So it means that this ON, it is perpendicular to CD. And we have to give the reason. What is the reason? The reason is that bisector from the center is perpendicular to the chord. So ये बाइसेक्टर था सेंटर से, क्योंकि डायमीटर सेंटर में से पास करता है, उसने बाइसेक्ट किया है, सो इट इज परपेंडिकुलर. ये एंगल 90 डिग्री है, ये एंगल 90 डिग्री है. हम इसमें कोई भी कंसेप्ट यूज कर सकते हैं, ऑल्टरनेट, कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग, को इंटीरियर. सो एंगल that is BMO, it is equal to angle CNO. Both of them are 90 degree and actually they are alternate angles. We will write here. Both of them are equal. So since the alternate angles are equal, so what does that imply? It implies that AB is parallel to CD. तो अगर हम co-interior भी ले सकते. Now here it is given if two chords of a circle are equally inclined to the diameter through their point of intersection, then prove that the chords are equal. So generally जो एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आएगा वो ऐसे आएगा, जो आपकी बुक में जो डायग्राम गिवन है वो डायग्राम नहीं साथ में होगा. डायग्राम वी हैव टू ड्रॉ इट आवरसेल्व्स. Now what is given in the question is, क्वेश्चन में है in a circle there are two chords. There are two chords and they are equally inclined to the diameter through their point of intersection. तो हमने इस सर्कल में दो कॉर्ड्स लेने हैं और इनका पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन भी है. तो हमने कॉर्ड्स कैसे लेने हैं? लाइक दिस. सो देयर आर टू कॉर्ड्स. So we take the two chords AB and AC. तो हम यहाँ पर साथ में लिख भी देते हैं. That is given, that is chord AB and chord that is CD. If two chords of a circle are equally inclined to the diameter through their point of intersection, तो एक हमने diameter बनाया through their point of intersection. So here AD is the diameter. So according to the question, the diameter is through their point of intersection. So therefore the center will lie on the diameter. Now it is written the two chords are equally inclined. इसका मतलब है कि जो chords हैं वो diameter के साथ एक ही angle बना रहे हैं. That means this angle and this angle are equal. So according to the question, angle A, that is B, we can write it this way. Angle BAO, it is equal to angle CAO. It is already given that the two chords are equally inclined. हमने क्या prove करना है? We have to prove that these chords are equal. That AB is equal to AC. ठीक है, तो this is the way we have to draw the figure. Marks are for the figure. And this I have written so that it becomes clear what is given in the question and what we have to prove. Now we will use the concept that equal chords are equidistant from the center. Generally जब भी हमने prove करना होता है कि दो chords equal हैं, we have to prove that AB is equal to AC. For that we need to do the construction. So what is the construction here? We draw OL perpendicular to AB and OM perpendicular to AC. OL perpendicular to AB and OM perpendicular to AC. Whenever we want to show that two chords are equal, just prove that their distance from the center is equal. तो हमने सिर्फ ये prove करना है OL, OM जो इनके distance हैं from the center they are equal. उसको कैसे prove करेंगे? We will take the triangle that is AOL and the triangle AOM. We will prove them congruent. First of all, angle BAO, it is equal to angle CAO because it is given in the question. Secondly, that is AO is equal to AO common. All of you know how to prove congruent. Thirdly, angle ALO is equal to angle AMO because they are 90 degree each. So from here we conclude that these two triangles, they are congruent. I have not written the name but you have to write it. They are congruent by angle side. Two angles and one side not in order. तो अगर ये congruent हैं, that means OL is equal to OM by CPCT. तो हमने इनको equally prove करना था. If OL and OM are equal, that means AB is equal to AC. What is the reason? The reason is that equal chords are equidistant from the center. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. Whenever we have to show two chords are equal, just prove that the distance from the center is, you have to prove that the perpendicular bisector of a chord always pass through the center. ये result हमने question में use भी किया है. Now let us see how we're going to prove it. तो उसके लिए first of all we make a circle and then we take one chord AB. This is a chord AB and this is the center O. So first of all, what is given in the question? We have taken a chord AB and here O is the center. We have to show that perpendicular bisector of the chord pass through the center. तो हमने यहाँ पर एक perpendicular bisector बनाया CD. यहाँ पर हमने suppose किया let CD be the perpendicular bisector of the chord AB. अगर ये परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर है CD, व्हाट डज दैट मीन? इट मीन्स दैट CD इज परपेंडिकुलर टू AB एंड AC इज इक्वल टू CB. सो इट मीन्स कि ये जो CD है ये परपेंडिकुलर भी है और ये बाइसेक्ट भी करती है. इज दैट क्लियर? एंड उसके बाद हमने ये सपोज किया, लेट अस सपोज दैट दिस CD इट डज नॉट pass through O. Our main question is to prove that perpendicular bisector pass through the center. यहाँ पर हम suppose करते हैं कि perpendicular bisector center से pass नहीं करता. Now we do a construction, that is we join this OC. We join OC. Now since AC is equal to CB, this implies OC is perpendicular to AB. हमने ये रिजल्ट किया है, अगर सेंटर से एक लाइन ड्रॉ करें, अगर सर्कल में सेंटर से एक लाइन आती है on the chord which bisect the chord, then this line is always perpendicular. So OC एक लाइन है, उसने chord को bisect कर दिया, it means that this line will be perpendicular. We can give the reason that bisector from the chord, from the center, sorry, it bisect the chord. It bisect the chord. So we are getting that this OD is perpendicular and OC is perpendicular. That is angle ACD is 90 degree and angle that is ACO is 90 degree. Is 90 degree, which is not possible. Which is not possible. So you can see clearly from here, एक सर्कल है, पहले है कि ये एंगल 90 डिग्री है, उसके बाद लिखा है कि ये एंगल भी 90 डिग्री है. सो दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. इनमें से एक ही पॉसिबल है. सो आइदर इट इज कि ये दैट इज एक ही पॉसिबल है, दूसरा ये कब पॉसिबल हो सकता है? इफ दिस पॉइंट O इट लाइज ऑन CD. सो दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. हैंस जो हमने एज्यूम किया था कि CD O से पास नहीं होती है, आर सपोजिशन इज रॉन्ग. ये हमारी सपोजिशन क्या है? रॉन्ग. इट मीन्स दैट CD इट पास थ्रू O. That is perpendicular bisector of the chord, it pass through O. There cannot be two 90 degrees like this. ये भी 90 डिग्री, उसके बाद ये भी 90 डिग्री, which is not possible. So जो हमने suppose किया वो गलत है. The perpendicular bisector. Dear students, in this question it is given AB and CD are two parallel chords of a circle and L is the perpendicular bisector of AB. एक हमारे पास circle है, AB and CD are the two parallel chords, only parallel, not equal. So first of all we are given that this chord AB, it is parallel to the chord CD. Then there is the line L which is the perpendicular bisector. I have not drawn almost straight. This is the line L. It is the perpendicular bisector of the chord AB only. We have to show that it is the perpendicular bisector of CD also. So what we have to show that this L, it is the perpendicular bisector of CD also, isn't it? Now since we know that perpendicular bisector of a chord, it always pass through the center. It always pass through the center of the circle. So ये अगर हम center O लें circle का, that means this L it will pass through O. So therefore L, this line L, it will pass through the center O. Now this line L is perpendicular bisector of AB. इसका मतलब है कि ये perpendicular है और इसने bisect भी किया है. And AB and CD, they are the parallel chords, isn't it? Now angle that is O, if I take this point as M and I take this point as N, angle BMO, it is equal to angle ONC that is 90 degree. Why is it so? It is because they are alternate angles. ये जो लाइन ए बी है ये सी डी के पैरेलल है, तो अगर एंगल बी एम ओ 90 है तो एंगल सी एंड ओ भी 90 हो गया, बिकॉज दे आर ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स. तो वहां से हमें क्या पता लगा? दैट लाइन एल इज परपेंडिकुलर. सो दिस implies that this ON it is perpendicular to CD. Now we know that if I draw a perpendicular from the center, it will bisect the chord. So same here we can write, अगर ये perpendicular है, CN is equal to ND, because a perpendicular from the center, it bisects the chord. So these reasons you have to write in between. If I take this as first, this as second, तो first and second equation से हमें क्या पता लग रहा है कि ये जो line ON है ये perpendicular भी है और ये bisector भी है. So this is actually the line L. So we conclude that this line L, it is the perpendicular bisector of CD. इस लाइन L ने, क्योंकि पॉइंट O इस लाइन के ऊपर ही लाई करता है, सो अब चाहे हम ON की बात करें या पूरी लाइन L की बात करें, इट मीन्स द सेम थिंग. द लाइन L is bisector also and it is perpendicular. Here students, in this question it is given, prove that the diameter of a circle perpendicular to one of the two parallel chords of a circle is perpendicular to the other and bisect it. So almost all the questions are same type. This is a circle and let us take two chords. We take two chords, chord AB and the chord CD, and it is given that these two chords are parallel. So first of all we are given that the chord AB it is parallel to the chord CD. उसके बाद हम एक diameter लेते हैं. So PQ is the diameter. We have taken PQ as the diameter of the circle, and we know that diameter always pass through the center. So O is the center of this circle. First we are given कि diameter is perpendicular to one of the chord. तो diameter किसी A के perpendicular है. Let us suppose that it is perpendicular to AB. So let, that is this diameter, not let, it is given only that this PQ it is perpendicular to AB. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that this diameter it is perpendicular to the other chord and also it bisected. And also this, if I take this point as N, we have to show CN is equal to ND. तो हर एक question में almost same type का ही proof same is going on, isn't it? Now these two chords are parallel. So first of all, angle this CNO it is equal to angle BMO 90 degree. ये वाला angle इस angle के equal होगा. Why is it so? Because they are alternate angles. Because it is given that AB is parallel to CD. तो ये alternate angles हो गए. So what do we conclude from here? We conclude that PQ is perpendicular to CD. तो अगर ये angle 90 degree आ गया है, that means PQ is perpendicular to CD. Now this point O lies on PQ. Since ON is perpendicular to CD, that means CN is equal to ND. We know that perpendicular from the center, it bisect the chord. Perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. So CN is equal to ND. Hence both the things have been proved कि इस diameter, ये जो diameter है PQ, it is perpendicular to CD and it has also bisected CD. Both the points. Here students, come to this question. The figure is not given. Let me first of all draw the figure. What is the figure here? In this figure there are two chords. There is a chord AB and the chord AB has been drawn like this. This is A and this is B, and then there is a chord CD. This is C and this is D. Then we are given that L is the midpoint of AB, M is the midpoint of CD. So here it is given. What is given here? Let us write it down. It is given that the chord AB and the chord CD, they are equal. Secondly, L is the midpoint of AB, which means that AL is equal to LB. उसके बाद given है M is the midpoint of CD, which means that CM is equal to MD. This is M. Now, this O is the center. Here it is given that O is the center of the circle. Okay. Now we have to prove that angle OLM is equal to angle OML. इसको prove करने के लिए we do a construction. That is we join OL, OM and ML. इन तीनों को हम join कर लेंगे OL, OM and ML. How we are going to prove it? Now see here, since this AL is equal to LB, it means OL is perpendicular to AB. Now what is the reason? OL एक लाइन है सेंटर से जिसने कॉर्ड को बाइसेक्ट कर दिया है. इसका मतलब है कि ये लाइन इसके परपेंडिकुलर है. Similarly, since CM is equal to MD, so this implies that CM is perpendicular to, OM is perpendicular to CD. So what is the reason? Reason is that bisector from the center is perpendicular to the chord. So this is that is the bisector from the center. It is perpendicular to the chord. तो ये हमारे पास आ गया. तो यहाँ से हमारे पास क्या आया कि OL is the perpendicular distance of the chord from the center. OM is the perpendicular distance of the chord CD from the center. Since AB is equal to CD, this means OL is equal to OM. What is the reason here? If two chords are equal, then their distance, their perpendicular distance from the center is equal. So we can give the reason. You can write the reason also. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. Now we take the triangle OLM. Triangle OLM में OL OM के equal है, तो इसका मतलब है इसके opposite जो angles होंगे they will also be equal. Angle OLM is equal to angle OML. Why? Because OL is equal to OM. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. This much. Now let us come to the second part. We have to show this thing. How are we going to show? We will be showing it little bit other way. Now see here, ये जो है angle OLA ये 90 डिग्री है. Angle OLA 90 डिग्री है. क्यों? Because OL perpendicular है. Similarly, that is the angle that is OMC. Angle OMC, it is also 90 degree. Why they are 90 degree? OL is perpendicular to AB, OM is perpendicular to this. Let us take this as the first equation. उसके बाद हमारे पास है that angle OLM, it is equal to angle OML. Why is it so? Because that is they are, we have just proved in the first part. Let us take this as a second equation. Now when we subtract, अब हमें जो चाहिए, जिस तरह से आंसर चाहिए, हमें उसी वे से add या subtract करना पड़ेगा. तो ये angle कैसे आएगा? By subtracting from the second equation, we subtract the first equation. Sorry, the second equation is smaller. I'm taking the other way. From the first equation, we are subtracting the second equation. Angle OLA minus angle OLM. From the left hand side gets subtracted from left hand side and right hand side gets subtracted on the right hand side. So this is angle OLA minus this LMA, that is this thing OLM, it gives us angle ALM, and this is angle CML. So hence it is, in this question the figure was not given, so I have drawn it. In this question it is given, the figure is such a way, AB and AC are two equal chords. That is the chord AB and the chord CD, AC. AB and AC, they are equal. The center of the circle is O. उसके बाद हमने एक line draw की OP, given in the question itself. OP is perpendicular to AB. Let us suppose this OP meet AB at the point L. इस point को हम L ले लेते हैं. Then OQ is perpendicular to AC. Let us suppose the point of intersection is M. इस point को हमने M ले लिया. We have to show that this PB and QC, they are equal. So we will do the construction here. that is we join this PB and we will join this QC. So we join this PB and we join this QC. We join PB and we join this QC. अब इसको equal कैसे prove करेंगे? By taking the triangles. We take the triangle that is QCM and the triangle PLB. We take these two triangles. Now in these two triangles, how they are congruent? First of all, angle PLB, it is equal to angle QMC because they are 90 degree each. ये angle 90 degree है, ये angle 90 degree. I think it's very much clear. I can make the figure more clear. That is, these are the two chords. This is OQ, this is OP, isn't it? इस तरह से है. हमने ये QC को join किया है and यहाँ पर हमने PB को join किया है, like this. So if it is not clear, we can make clear figure here. This point is M and this point is L. So we have taken these two triangles, this triangle and this triangle. Secondly, since we know that this chord AB and the chord AC are equal, it means that their perpendicular distance from the center is also equal. So OL will be equal to OM. You may write the reason: equal chords are equidistant from the center. Also, we know that this OQ, it is equal to OP. Now why they are equal? Because both of them are the radius of the circle. OQ is the radius, OP is the radius. अब इसको अगर हम subtract करें, OQ minus OM is equal to OP minus OL. So OQ में से OL को minus नहीं कर सकते. So from OQ we are subtracting OM, from OP we are subtracting OL. What do we get? We get that QM is equal to PL. Thirdly, we are given that the chord AB and AC are equal. अगर ये equal हैं तो उनके half भी equal हैं, isn't it? उनका midpoint भी equal होगा. Now AB का half क्या है? AL भी half है, LB भी half है. हमें वो line चाहिए जो इस triangle में आती है, that is LB. So in place of half of AB we can write LB. Half of AC क्या है? AM भी half है, MC भी half है. We need MC, so MC. So hence we have got that in these two triangles the angles are equal. The side MC is equal to, that is LB. उसके बाद है QM is equal to PL. That means the two triangles, they are congruent by side angle side. And hence we can say that PB is equal to QC by CPCT. Okay students, in this question it is given there is an equilateral triangle. We have to prove that the centroid and the circumcenter of a triangle, they coincide. अब पहले तो ये है कि centroid क्या है और circumcenter क्या है. Suppose there is a triangle. अगर हम medians draw करें, median क्या होती है? एक line which is drawn from one vertex and which bisect the opposite side. So if I draw all the three medians of a triangle, जिस point पे medians intersect होती हैं, that point is known as the centroid. तो centroid क्या है? Point of intersection of medians. Medians जो line होती हैं, they only bisect the opposite side. वो perpendicular नहीं होती हैं, वो सिर्फ दूसरी side को दो parts में bisect करती हैं. Now what is circumcenter? Circumcenter क्या है कि अगर मैं तीनों sides का perpendicular bisector draw करूं, तीनों sides का perpendicular bisector, जिस point पे perpendicular bisector meet करते हैं, that point is known as the circumcenter. So circumcenter is actually the point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors. हमने ये show करना है कि equilateral triangle में, suppose this is equilateral triangle ABC, we have to show कि equilateral triangle में circumcenter और centroid एक ही point है. ठीक है, so how we are going to show it? First of all, we are given that this triangle ABC, it is an equilateral triangle. Secondly, we draw, यहाँ पर हम construction करेंगे, that is we draw, that is AD and BE and CF, which are the medians, AD is the median, BE is the median and CF is the median. तो अगर ये median है, what does that imply? It implies BD is equal to DC and CE is equal to EA and AF is equal to BF. कोई perpendicular नहीं है. And let G be the centroid. तो इन मीडियंस का जो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन है, ये जो पॉइंट है इसको हमने G ले लिया सेंट्रॉइड. अब हमने प्रूव क्या करना है? वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट दिस पॉइंट G इट इज द सर्कम सेंटर. वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट दिस पॉइंट इज एक्चुअली द सर्कम सेंटर. अगर हम प्रूव कर दें कि ये मीडियन जो ऑलरेडी बाइसेक्टर है वो परपेंडिकुलर भी है, अगर मीडियन परपेंडिकुलर भी हो जाए तो वो क्या बन जाएगा? परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. तो ये पॉइंट G क्या बन जाएगा? पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. सो वेरी इजी टू प्रूव. हम सिर्फ ये प्रूव करेंगे कि AD परपेंडिकुलर भी है, ये बाइसेक्टर ऑलरेडी है. सो वी टेक टू ट्राइंगल्स, एनी ट्राइंगल्स वी कैन टेक ट्राइंगल ABD and the triangle ADC. In these two triangles, AB is equal to AC because these are the sides of equilateral triangle ABC. All the sides are equal. Then AD is equal to AD. It is common. Thirdly, we have BD is equal to DC. It is given in the question. AD median है तो BD और DC equal होंगे. From here we are getting that these two triangles are congruent by side. तो अगर ये congruent हैं, what does that imply? It implies that angle ADB is equal to angle ADC by that is CPCT. तो ये दोनों equal angles हैं. So this implies that each of them will be equal to 90 degree because they form a linear pair. ये दोनों equal हैं और इनका sum 180 degree है. That means each of them is 90 degree. तो अगर ये 90 डिग्री है, it means that AD is perpendicular to BC. तो AD क्या हो गया? perpendicular to BC. AD पहले बाइसेक्टर था, अब हमने शो कर दिया कि वो परपेंडिकुलर है. इसका मतलब हो गया कि AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. तो जैसे हमने शो किया कि ये AD परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर है, similarly we can show that BE or CF they are also the perpendicular bisectors of bisectors. तो G क्या हो गया? G will be the point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors and point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors is circumcenter. So इसका मतलब हुआ that G is the circumcenter because now we have proved it is the point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors. Hence